Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. What you're looking at are a couple handguns that are considered normal. They're the average size and weight of a handgun one would consider normal. Quite often you'd see it at the range. They're guns people would carry and they are normal. But today we're going to focus on guns that are not normal. Many would consider abnormal. The kind when you see somebody firing, you take a double look and you check those out because they are not very common handguns. Let's get right to it. Let's start out with a Magnum Research big frame revolver. Get a load of this 7.5-inch barrel revolver, single action, chambered in 45-70. Here's a look at the round itself. This is not normal for a handgun to shoot a 45-70 government load. You can see I've got an aim point red dot on there, but it is just a blast to shoot. So much fun, so much power. You can see that it is unloaded, single action, and that trigger pull is amazing. So when you see somebody shooting a BFR, you take a double look because this gun is definitely not normal. Here we have a Bond Arms backup in 45 ACP. It's a two-shot double-barrel Derringer that is built like a tank, but it's actually rather light. The overall length is 4 inches, and it does have 2-inch barrels. I love this gun. It's a single-action firing Derringer, but I am extremely accurate. Now here's a shot with me shooting and hitting a target from 40 yards with the Bond Arms backup. It's built very strong. These are the best Derringers on the market, and this Bond Arms backup makes an excellent backup gun to your primary carry. And one thing about it that's special, it's not normal. If I told you somebody built a handgun the dimensions of a credit card, you would tell me I was crazy. But Trailblazer Firearms did it with the Life Card 22. It has two levers right here. This first lever expands the grip from the barrel, and the second lever tilts up the barrel for a single shot, single action 22 long rifle. You pull the striker back like that and fire away. It also has this storage compartment right here where you could put 4 rounds of 22 long rifle. But I took it to the range. I really did enjoy it. I was able to hit a 12-inch target from 12 yards, and it was a lot of fun. The Life Card 22 by Trailblazer Firearms is definitely not normal. Here we have the iconic Desert Eagle made by Magnum Research. Full-size frame, 6-inch barrel, and a beautiful stainless steel. 50 Action Express holds 7 rounds in the magazine. 300 grain bullets loaded down with power. This has an integral muzzle brake, rails above and below on the frame, and the trigger is a single action right at 4 pounds. The one thing I want to show you though is it does have a rotating bolt right there like a semi-auto rifle. Check out that barrel right there. Just a head turner. Beautiful gun. So much fun at the range, and you just can't beat the power. The Magnum Research Desert Eagle is a real showpiece, which is not normal. The last handgun that is not normal is this North American Arms Pug chambered in 22 Magnum. It's a small little mini revolver that has an oversized grip, which is one of the reasons I like this Pug, because you can still hold on to it. Now, North American Arms makes some revolvers even smaller and lighter than this, but the Pug does it for me. It does have a front night sight. It's a single action 5-shot 22 Magnum revolver, already verified, unloaded, and it's a nice little backup gun. I like it because it's not normal. I also like it that you can carry it any which way. You can throw it in a pocket. You can throw it just about anywhere. Not going to bother you at all. And with 5 shots of 22 Magnum, you're doing okay in a very unnormal firearm. So there it is. These are the handguns that I own that are not normal. I would love to hear your thoughts and your experiences of other handguns that I did not mention that you feel are not normal. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.